She let you go. The words hit like a blade through the dark, don't they? A wound so raw it feels like the world itself conspired to tear you apart. But listen, here in this shadowed moment lies the spark of something unbreakable. She let you go, and that was her mistake. Not because you're a prize to be won or lost, but because in her leaving she handed you the key to a truth the Stoics knew well. The only chains that bind us are the ones we forge ourselves. This is no mere breakup story. This is a call to rise. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius once sat amidst the chaos of war, plague, and betrayal and wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." She let you go, and the storm of anger, grief, and longing threatens to swallow you whole. But what if the storm isn't your enemy? What if it's your teacher? The Stoics didn't run from pain. They faced it, dissected it, and stripped it of its power. Seneca, the great philosopher and statesman, taught us that we suffer more in imagination than in reality. That ache in your chest? It's real. But the endless spiral of what if and why me? That's a phantom you can banish. She let you go, and the world might whisper that you've been diminished. Let them whisper. Epictetus, a former slave who became one of history's greatest minds, said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Her choice wasn't a judgment of your worth. It was a mirror reflecting her own limits. A true Stoic doesn't crumble under rejection. They stand taller, unshaken, because their foundation isn't built on another's approval. You are not a leaf tossed by her wind. You are the oak that endures the gale. This isn't about revenge or proving her wrong. Those are the traps of a lesser soul. The Stoics sought apatheia, not apathy as we might mistake it, but a state beyond the reach of destructive emotions. Imagine this: a mind so disciplined, a heart so resilient that no loss can topple it. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, lost everything in a shipwreck: his wealth, his status. Yet from that ruin, he built a philosophy that has steadied humanity for centuries. She let you go, and yes, it stings like fire on bare skin. But fire forges iron. Let it forge you. Picture yourself years from now looking back on this moment, not with bitterness but with quiet pride. The Stoics believed in Amor, Fati, the love of fate, not just accepting what comes but embracing it as if you'd chosen it yourself. She let you go, and in that act, she unknowingly set you free. Free to master yourself. Free to shed the weight of needing her or anyone to define you. Chrysippus, the brilliant Stoic logician, argued that our virtues are the only true good. Not love, not wealth, not even happiness as the world sells it, but courage, wisdom, justice, and self-control. She couldn't take those from you. No one can. The path isn't easy. The Stoics never promised ease. They promised strength. When the nights grow long and the silence presses in, remember this: you are not alone in this struggle. Across time, men and women have faced loss, betrayal, and heartbreak, and found in Stoicism a lantern in the dark. Marcus Aurelius wrestled with his own demons, yet rose each dawn to lead an empire. Seneca endured exile and the tyranny of Nero, yet wrote words that still burn with clarity. You too can rise. She let you go, and that was her mistake, not because she lost you, but because she underestimated what you could become without her. So stay in, breathe, let the chaos of her absence settle into stillness. This is your crucible, your chance to sculpt a soul no storm can shatter. She let you go, and in that fracture, you'll find the raw material of greatness. The Stoics knew that life is a forge, and we are the smiths. Hammer the pain into purpose, temper the grief into resolve. She let you go, but you will not let yourself fall. That is the mistake she'll never understand, and that is your victory.